Plan Design is a new application that we're launching, and it effectively is an app that enables companies to rigorously pull together their comp plans using our vast amount of benchmarking data that we have. We're the only vendor in the marketplace that has that data, and then provide tools to the organization to model out different scenarios, to collaborate around those ideas. I mean, the reality with comp plan design in particular is that it is one of the few activities that really brings together a wide cross-section of people, right? So typically the executive team really wants to understand what's going into this comp plan design because they want to make sure it's tied to the corporate plan. They want to make sure compensation is a big part of any company's budget, so they want to make sure they're spending those dollars appropriately. Obviously the CRO cares about it. Obviously the CMO cares about it because they're trying to figure out, well, I'm going to generate a bunch of leads. Like, how is that going to actually, get prosecuted through the sales team? The finance leader cares about it. And so it's this area that is cross-functional, an activity that very few activities are. And what we realized is that all of our customers were struggling with it, right? There is no software in the marketplace that helps pull all of these workflows, all the attendant data, all of the different sort of iterations that happen into a single application. In general, you talk to most companies, the way they do this is a bunch of ad hoc meetings, a bunch of smart analysts, a bunch of spreadsheets, right? It is a unwieldy process. And so what we said is there's a real opportunity for us to add value in this area and to codify all of this in software, but then more importantly, bring our 20 years of empirical sales performance data that we've been collecting and use that data to inform some of these decisions that are going to be made, in addition to the historical data that we have for our customers. And so we're really excited about it. I've been talking about this with customers now for the last several months, and every time I talk about it, eyes light up, and it's sort of like also along with a bunch of groans about how painful this process is. So we're really excited about kind of where we're taking this.
I mean, on top of that, it's a part of our intelligent revenue platform. So it's not an application that's been created in isolation. It's part of the overall platform strategy. So you can plan, design, manage, incent, and forecast all within the same platform. What does that mean from an end user perspective? It means within a single pane of glass, I can change applications, I can change process and use cases, in this case from plan or from incent or from forecasting, all within the same user interface. And that just adds productivity and delivers the kind of value that ongoing recurring value that customers are looking for.